Okay, let's start with AXS. We'll see price right now just touch the upside parallel channel in the 1 hour time frame. A good entry could be a rejection of this uptrend. Okay, we're in the 1 hour time frame. If we move to the 4 hour time frame, we see that price is right in a bit above the middle of this parallel channel. Here is the resistance, here is the support, so that would be a good entry. If on the contrary it breaks this trend line, the most likely outcome is that it's going further down to retest the support. For now, in the short term, our bias is to the upside because this major trend line was broken. Okay, so next one, GMT. Here, in the one hour time frame, we see a big falling wedge that is forming, and now price is entering this support and resistance zone. Our preferred outcome would be this one: a break of the support, a break of the falling wedge, and a retest, and then we could go long. This point here would be our best possible entry, because right now it's at resistance. It might not break it and go down and retest this downside trend line again. So we better wait, but this is a formation we like to see in crypto. We can see the 4 hour time frame much better, the falling wedge, the zone, and what it has to do to enter. For us, here would be a very good point for entering this trade. Before continuing, we want to remind you that you have a bonus up to $600 and a VIP 1 account waiting for you in the Fairdesk Exchange, but only if you sign up with my affiliate link in the description down below and make a deposit of $100 or more. Okay, let's continue with more pairs. Matic. We have Matic here. This is the 4 hour time frame. You can see it here. We see this trend line was broken, and also the resistance was broken. The best possible entry right now is this point, around this point, this level here. If the price retraces, and here we could enter long. Right now you could enter at this point, but it's not as probable as having this as the entry point because of the two breaks of the support and resistance zone and the trend line. We see it on the 1 hour. Oops, sorry. If we see it here, it is more clear that the trend line and the support and resistance zone was clearly broken, and now our retest would be wonderful to enter long around here. Next one, Thorchain, Rune. We can see that we have another falling wedge and that now price is right at a resistance zone. The same as with GMT. The best possible entry point would be a breakout of this support and resistance zone, a breakout of the wedge, and a retest of both to continue going upwards. Until that happens, it's a bit risky because price is at a resistance zone here. If price keeps getting rejected, or if it doesn't break this resistance zone and this downside trend line, the better trade would be a short, so we must wait. And the last one for today is OP. Here we can see a similar formation than with Matic. The trend line was broken and now price is at resistance. As price is at resistance, we're not going to enter long, because to be more safe in the outcome of the trade, the best thing to do is wait for the breakout and then the retest, and here you enter long, because right now the most probable outcome, as we are at resistance, is that price is going short. But why our bias is long? Because this trend line has been broken. So we better wait and see what price does, what Bitcoin does, and what the macroeconomic data of this week is. But these are 5 altcoins that might be profitable in the future. Remember that you have a bonus with your name on it. It's a bonus up to $600 and a VIP 1 account. Click on the first link on the description if you want it. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you on the next video.